Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about input and output introduction, part of programming in Java course. In Java, input and output refers to the process of reading and writing data to and from external sources such as files, network connections and user input. Java provides a comprehensive set of classes and interfaces for performing I/O operations. These classes are grouped into several packages such as java.io and java.nio, which provides different levels of functionality and performance. The java.io package provides a set of classes for performing basic I/O operations such as reading and writing to files and streams. Java.nio package, on the other hand, provides a more powerful and efficient set of classes for performing I/O operations such as non-blocking I/O, file system operations, and memory mapped files. Here is an example of how to read from a file using the java.io package. In this example, a file input stream object is created to read from a file named example.txt. The read method is called to read a byte of data, and the while loop continues until the end of the file is reached. Once the data is read, the input stream is closed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.